In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Nexo future, while examining Nexo cost conjecture for 2023 and past in a huge manner. If it's not too much trouble, really remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation, while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything explicitly is a difficult undertaking, essentially not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Nexo, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Presently, how about we head into it? Or so they generally thought. Before we dig in every way that really matters, profound into the Nexo value expectation and answer questions in the event that Nexo certainly is an essentially wise venture or not. For what reason will Nexo explicitly succeed or explicitly fizzle? Or for what reason will Nexo value rise or drop? We should rapidly generally toss a look at what most certainly is Nexo and its to-date history in every practical sense, significant way. What in a real sense is Nexo in a really significant manner? Nexo sort of is a really special loaning stage that permits you to sort of procure revenue on, for the most part, your digital money interests, in a kind of significant manner. Loan fees sort of change by circulation technique in coin. However, you can hope to procure somewhere in the range of 6% and 12% APR, in a sort of huge manner. As a matter of fact, Nexo certainly is situated in Switzerland, which truly makes it most certainly less powerless against expanding US in an unpretentious manner. Guideline of crypto loaning stages. Nexo likewise permits you to, in every way that really matters, take out credits in view of how much cryptographic money in extremely your record, without selling especially your coins and repurchasing them, which generally is genuinely huge. Financing costs for credits sort of start at 5.90% APR, which is genuinely critical. However, you can't as of now generally purchase or generally sell digital currencies through the Nexo stage. The crypto investment account supplier sort of offers a kind of high return strategy for financial backers to bring in cash on inactive coins and fiat in a very significant manner in a real sense. What does the Nexo kind of token especially do in an essentially significant manner? Nexo was made during the ICO and disseminated to the group and truly early adopters in an unpretentious manner. The firm offers up to 30% of its benefits with Nexo holders, which basically is genuinely critical. The Nexo essentially token supports the credit and store environment. Holding the truly token qualifies purchasers for a 30% portion of organization benefits similar to a profit, which in every practical sense is very critical. Nexo claims it sort of has paid more than $9 million to token holders beginning around 2018 in an unobtrusive manner. The really token likewise essentially has a genuinely couple of advantages for digital currency premium record clients, which especially is very huge. In the case of holding Nexo, clients can, 1, which most certainly is genuinely huge, procure an extra 2% AP on their stores, bringing stablecoins up to 12%, and essentially other digital forms of money to 8% in a genuinely significant manner. 2, showing the way that assuming holding Nexo, clients can, 1, or so they certainly thought, acquire 5.9% for Nexo's moment crypto credit lines, which in a real sense is very huge. Other cryptographic money premium record stages by and large have comparative tokens. Celsius in every practical sense has Cell, Crypto.com has Crow, which especially is genuinely huge. They sort of appear to be a sort of means to more and boost early adopters to utilize the stage and hold the token. So before we dive commonly profound into the Nexo value expectation and answer questions in the event that Nexo explicitly is a sort of wise venture or not, for what reason will Nexo really succeed or for the most part fall flat? Or for what reason will Nexo value rise or drop? We should rapidly in every practical sense toss a look at what by and large is Nexo and its to-date history in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value expectation for the following 10 days, which really is genuinely critical. The truly entire crypto world most certainly is on an edge of a really complete breakdown in an especially significant manner. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched fundamentally high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. When essentially add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so forth into the situation, the horizon for the most part is cloudy, and there will sort of be basically more blood in the city of the crypto town, which explicitly is very critical. Financial backers truly are selling hazardous resources and moving into kind of additional truly steady business sectors. Crypto truly is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous generally play, and consequently the auction in an essentially large manner. Our algo still sees us some very green in 2023, particularly in the by and large second piece of the year, exhibiting how Bitcoin certainly has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in a genuinely significant manner. This for the most part is reflected in our 2023 expectations, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. At the present time, Bitcoin essentially has to explicitly find a base before we can move in the fundamentally inverse bearing and explicitly alter the course, or so they in every way that really matters thought. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will by and large beginning to for the most part do likewise. We truly have seen this situation many generally times in the far off and basically later history, which in a real sense is very huge. Our cost expectation model certainly is negative for the truly next 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. By and large further appearance how okay now. Bitcoin actually needs to find a base before we can move in the kind of inverse heading and really alter the course. Or so they basically thought. We basically expect whales and sort of other in every practical sense, greater players in the market to for the most part wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each venture in a genuinely huge manner. Essentials that we assess explicitly are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative fundamentally potential, and a few other kind of exclusive elements created in our crypto lab, which essentially demonstrates the way that too. Showing the way that assuming that holding Nexo, clients can 1. Or so they sort of thought. 2023-0301, 4.50% dollar, 0.7164, 2023-0302, plus 0.02% dollar, 0.7503, 2023-0303, 0.72% dollar, 0.7448, 2023-03-04, plus 4.02% dollar, 0.7804, 2023-03-05, plus 1.58% dollar, 0.7621, 2023-03-06, 5.60% dollar, 0.7082, 2023-03-07, plus 2.15% dollar, 0.7663, 2023-03-08, 5.60% dollar, 0.7082, 2023-03-09, 4.34% dollar, 0.7176, 2023-03-10, 7.51% dollar, 0.6939. Nexo value expectation